2024, and this is how I'm going to remember it. I get nostalgic, thinking back on a year of distant places, new friends, and moments that changed me. The year began in Sayulita, Mexico, shooting hotel product photos with the Altamira team. From there we went to the Dominican Republic and shot commercials in La Romana and then in Punta Cana. In April, we visited Joshua Tree for Haley's spring break, then flew to Los Cabos to shoot with Zoetry Resorts. Over the summer, I spent 3 weeks in Peru, first shooting a wedding and then traveling with a group of celebrity chefs. It was an amazing experience, and I learned so much about Peruvian food and culture. In August, we flew to Tulum to shoot with Casa Zamna. I love Tulum, and I'm super proud of how this project came together. We focused on wedding videos all fall, capturing love stories around Virginia, and wrapped up the year in Mazatlan. It's been an awesome year. But as I reflect on the places that I've been, I've come to realize that it's not about how many cities you can check off the list, but how meaningful you can make your time wherever you are. And that's something that I'm working on heading into the new year. But for now, let me say thank you. I love doing creative work with my friends, and I'm extremely grateful to everyone who's helped make this dream a reality.
I've been following about